Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Students, in today's video, we'll see the nuclear accidents and holocausts. Nuclear energy was earlier considered to be the cheapest source of power, but because of nuclear accidents and disposal problems, it is proving not only problematic but also hazardous to all. In general, governments, administrators and scientists assure that nuclear materials are stored and disposed by foolproof methods, but accidents occurring in nuclear establishments all over the world are alarming and focus a different picture. Nuclear power stations require much more efficient safety measures to control accidents. As such, there is no absolutely safe method of storing high-level nuclear wastes, which are extremely dangerous and require thousands of years to lose their hazardous effects. Some details we can see. Moreover, tons of such nuclear wastes are piling up all over the world. According to Miller, in 2004, in Utah of US alone, today there are 45,000 tons which would be around 1 lakh tons by 2035 as the deadly stuff to be stored and secured for about 10,000 years. The problem is highly acute and dangerous. Nuclear bombs have been used only once so far. These were dropped by United States on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan in 1945. However, innumerable nuclear tests conducted by various countries and on leakage accidents are certainly of more concern. Earlier, before 1963, nuclear tests were conducted above ground, exposing radiations to dangerous levels. Now, these are conducted underground, but question is that how long and how much safe they are. Besides low-level radiation used in hospitals and research institutes are also subject to exposure in use and disposals if used carelessly or by untrained technicians. Nuclear accidents have occurred in various countries, but none is absolutely safe. At times, small accidents occur, but these remain largely unknown. Some serious nuclear accidents can be listed as: number 1, in 1957, due to disastrous fire in a major nuclear complex of Sellafield in England, there was a heavy leakage of radioactivity. It was caused due to human error. Unfortunately, no warning was issued, and as a result, the accident took the life of 1,000 people. Several accidents in Sellafield have occurred in last 40 years, causing unsafe exposure to workers, leading to various problems including cancer. Second is, several accidents have taken place in Hanford nuclear power complex of United States. Moreover, in 1973, Hanford released 450,000 liters of radioactive liquid in Columbia River, possibly due to lack of storage tanks. Higher than normal rates of cancer have been reported from the area. Number 3, we can see among the most serious nuclear accidents that occurred in United States was that of March 29, 1979 at the 3 Mile Island Power Plant in Pennsylvania. A human error caused failure of a cooling system that led to a 50% meltdown of the reactor core a huge amount of radioactivity escaped in the atmosphere. Luckily, the area was evacuated and there were no immediate casualties. But accident shook the confidence of the people and there were no further new projects in the area. It took about 12 years to reopen the plant with an expense of $1.2 million.